Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the USD CAD, USD CHF and USD JPY have moved in the last week and how this will move in the next week. See, if we look at this chart, what we can see here is that it was continuously in the downtrend. USD CAD was continuously in the downtrend, and after hoping at the support at this level, okay, and the level I will tell you, it is 1.20020. this is the strong support that is helped and move the USD CAD at around 1.24910. okay, and now what we have seen that after that it made a red candle, and from there we have seen a new green candle. So now we can see there is a narrow pattern is forming. Okay, and I have already told you that whenever there is a narrow pattern, then if we see this, then there is a breakout upside or downside. Okay, sharp upside or downside. So what we can see here is that suppose if it breaks a level of 1.24 and if it touches the level of 1.24910, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 1.2635, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level 1.26992, and if it stays above that level, then we can see a level 1.27536, and if it stays above that level, then we can see a level 1.28079, and if it stays above that level, then we can see a level 1.28984. Suppose if this goes down, okay, below a level of 1.23, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 1.2246. okay, and if it goes more below that level, then we can see a level 1.2174, and if it goes more below that level, then we can see a level 1.20473, and this level is already tested twice. okay, so the level is 1.20. if it comes close to this level, okay, chances are very high that it can break this level. okay, because this level is already tested twice, so be careful whenever the price comes to this level, then we'll be on the selling side, because chances are very high that if it comes close to this level, then chances are will be very high that it can break this level and can go much lower. okay, so or if it stays above a level of 1.244, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 1.24819, and from there it can touch a level of 1.2668, and from there it can touch a level of 1.27, and from there it can touch a level of 1.288, and if it goes below a level of 1.225, then it can touch a level of 1.21, and from there it can touch a level of 1.21228, and from there it can come close to this level, and from there we be started selling, and there's chances it can break this level. okay, if you have any doubt regarding forex position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this is working. okay, and please watch the full video, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description. Now if I talk to you about USD CHF, okay, see USD CHF, you can understand here that it was in the range bound before. After breaking the range bound, it came down, made a low at a level of 0.87443, and from there it bounced back, made a high of around 0.9719, and from there it again tested at this level, because this is a strong support. okay, 0.8223 0.89223, it bounced back to a level of 0.90, and from there it made a high of around 0.927. so what we have to understand here, see, look at this pattern. A W pattern is forming. If we make a trend line with the help of this, we can see that if it stays off this level, then we are on the bullish side. okay, look at this trend. See, this is a trend line I'm showing you in order to understand that this is a strong support. This is a strong support. Suppose if this price of USD CHF stays above a level of, now it is trading at 0.9264. suppose if it goes above a level of 0.93674364, then it can touch a level of 0.92 0.92730, and if it stays above that level, then it can touch a level of 0.93254, and from there it can touch a level of 0.93725, and if it stays above that level, then it can touch a level of 0.94143, and from there it can touch a level of 0.94667. okay, but it has to stay above 0.92782. okay, then it can touch a level of, suppose if it goes above a level of 0.92835, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 0.93201, and from there it can touch a level of 0.93725, and if it stays above that level, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 0.94196, and from there it can touch a level of 0.94771. okay, suppose if it goes below a level of 0.91, chances are high that it can touch a level of 0.9442, and from there it can touch a level of 0.90950, and if it stays below that level, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 90584. so suppose if it comes close to 9054, then it can touch a level of 0.90. okay, once 90 is touched, then we are on the side because this level is already tested twice, so chances are high that if it comes close to 0.9479, then it can come close to around 0.9270, then chances are high that it can come to a level of 0.989. okay, once it comes close to this level, then chances are high that it can break this level and can touch a level of 0.8760. so you have to understand that if it stays below a level of 0.91, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 0.947, from there it can touch a level of 0.91003, and from there it can touch a level of 0.906 okay 50, and if it goes below that level, then it can touch a level of 0.9300. okay, and if it stays above a level of 0.92416, then it can touch a level of 0.92835, and if it stays above that level, then it can touch a level of 0.93201, and from there it can touch a level of 0.93725, and from there it can touch a level of 0.924, and from there it can touch a level of 0.9374. okay, so let this range break, because we can see there is chances that it can go more upside. okay, so if I talk to you about USD JPY, we can see there is a change in the trend. okay, if we look at this chart, or if you, it made a low of around 102, and from there it is continuously in upside. so what we can see here is that now this resistance is testing okay at different level. so suppose if it crosses a level of, now it has already crossed this level, and we can see a high in 2020 was around 112. okay, and now we can see it is at a level of 111. okay, if you look at this chart from December, it is continuously in the uptrend. okay, so what we can see here, if this range breaks, and it has already broke 110, which was a high in the April month in 2021. okay, and now it has come in the high of around 2020. okay, it has broke this level of 2021 high. so now it is, we can see a high which is around 112.178. so suppose if it stays above a level of, now it is 111. suppose if it touch a level of 111.573, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 112.178, and from there it can touch a level of 112.3.12. okay, so chances are very high that it can cross this level, because it is already tested okay twice. so chances are very high that it can touch a level of 112.245. okay, and can make a new high which can be around 113.114, and if it stays more above that level, then chances are high that it can touch a level 113.850, and from there it can touch a level of 114.185, and then from there it can touch a level of 114.519. so we are on the bullish side for USD JPY. suppose if it goes below that level, below a level of 110.174, then it can touch a level of 110.773, and from there it can touch a level of 110.305, and if it stays more below that level, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 109.703, and from there it can touch a level of 109.301, and if it stays more below that level, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 108.699, and suppose if it stays more below that level, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 108 also. But in the April month it was in this particular range also, and but it is an uptrend. So if it is goes below a 111, then only it can touch a level of 110.305, and if it goes more below that level, then only it can touch a level 109.770, and then from there it can touch a level of 109.368. okay, so I am on the bullish side for this till the time it didn't cross a level of 110.840, or till the time it didn't cross a level of 110.305. okay, and chances are very high that it can touch a level of 12.312 very soon, and from there it can touch a level of 113.114. okay, but it has to stay above a level of 10110.910. okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.